Collapsible pet crate storage solutions let you reclaim living space without sacrificing your pet safety or comfort. Start by choosing the right type of collapsible crate for your lifestyle and home layout. Folding wire crates collapse flat by releasing a few catches and lifting the panels so they fold into a thin stack that fits behind a closet door or under a bed. Practice the fold and unfold motion once so it becomes quick and safe. Soft-sided foldable carriers are lightweight and zip down to a flat pouch for storing between cushions or in a linen closet, but inspect seams and frames periodically so the structure stays reliable. Consider nesting crate storage under the bed by measuring the crate dimensions when folded and ensuring clearance under your bed frame. Then slide the folded crate onto a low rolling platform to make retrieval effortless. A wall mount bracket lets you hang disassembled crates vertically by their frames, saving floor space and keeping metal parts off the floor. Use padded hooks or foam to protect finishes and balance weight distribution. Finally, look for multi-use pet furniture that converts into a crate, so your end table or bench stores the pet space and tucks away when not in use, and choose pieces with washable liners and secure latches for daily reliability. Common mistakes start with picking a crate that seems compact but is awkward to fold, leaving owners frustrated when they need it quickly. Pick one with a simple folding sequence and practice it once to be fast. Another issue is storing soft-sided carriers in humid spaces, which can lead to mildew. Store them in a breathable bag with a small desiccant pack and rotate them regularly for air. People also push folded crates into places without measuring first and find they will not fit or that they block airflow. Measure the folded height, width, and depth and test the storage location with a similar sized box before committing. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and resources that match project needs related to home storage and pet accommodations. We also host a discussion community so users can share tips and ask peers and contractors about specific collapsible crate solutions.